going to tell you about the most incredible place. And you know what? It's in your own backyard. I think from the first moment I visited the region, I stood in awe of the incredible nature that surrounded me. I think that's what I love most about the site, Refuge de Sommeil. It just makes you feel something special, connected to the architect of the planet in a way that you don't find every day. Our designs needed to reflect that complete seduction of nature, and we humbly believed we achieved that with Refuge de Sommeil. That is the awe of nature reflected in architecture and design.
La vie commence.